Imagine transforming your career in just 10 weeks. Our Certified Nurse Aide program is your gateway to a fulfilling healthcare career. With high demand for CNAs, new job opportunities are waiting for you. Our program is designed to fast-track your journey to becoming a certified nurse aide. You'll gain essential skills and knowledge to excel in this rewarding field. A certified nurse aide is a healthcare worker who provides basic care to patients, assisting them with daily living activities like bathing, dressing, eating, and moving around, under the direct supervision of a licensed nurse, such as a registered nurse, RN, or licensed practical nurse, LPN. What makes our program the right choice for you? Our comprehensive curriculum follows the state of Michigan's nurse aide training model, ensuring you receive a comprehensive education. It blends theory, knowledge, and practical application to prepare you for success. Learn healthcare provider basic life support and first aid, equipping you with essential life-saving skills for a successful healthcare career. Gain practical experience through interactive labs, hands-on training, and real-world clinical practice, ensuring you're fully prepared for the demands of a CNA role. Certified nurse assistants are in high demand in nursing homes, assisted living, and other healthcare facilities. Our 10-week intensive program provides 48 hours of lecture, 40 hours of lab, and 25 hours of clinical training. This hands-on learning supplies you with the practical experience and theoretical knowledge to confidently perform your duties as a CNA. Secure your spot in our next cohort and take the first step toward becoming a certified nurse aide. Join a community of healthcare professionals dedicated to improving lives. Together, we can make a significant impact in the world of healthcare.